Hey everyone, Donnie from Anderson Ford Motorsport here. Today's video we're going to be looking at the Level 1 fuel system kit for 86 through 95 Mustangs. Okay, inside the box you'll receive everything you see on the table here. You'll receive a 40-foot roll of stainless steel braided PTFE fuel line. You'll also receive some black fuel rails, a new inline fuel filter with fittings already pre-installed, also a new fuel pressure regulator with fittings installed, a fuel pressure gauge that works with this fuel pressure regulator, an assortment of different fittings and hose end fittings, including fuel pump module fittings here to work with everything in tandem, and of course proper adapters, a new heavy-duty fuel pump upgraded relay kit with upgraded wiring, and a 340 liter per hour fuel pump module ready to drop into a stock fuel tank from 86 through 95 Mustang. So this fuel system kit is a good middle-of-the-road option out there for people looking to upgrade from their stock fuel components. This kit here is essentially meant to replace everything on your fuel system with the exception of your gas tank, as that 340 liter per hour fuel pump module is meant as a direct drop-in replacement. Depending on what kind of injector size you're running and using gasoline-based fuels, this kit is meant to handle around 600 to 650 real-world horsepower. A couple things to note in regards to the installation. There are going to be a few other things you're going to want to pick up before you actually start tackling the job. One of them is actually going to be how you're going to mount your fuel lines to the body of your car. There's a couple different hose strap options out there on the market, and it's meant to be up to the end user to choose how they want to mount them to the car. So just make sure you pick up a set of whatever you decide to go with before you start tackling the job. Also, picking up a bottle of dielectric grease or a super lubricant to lube up all the new O-rings that come on the new AN fittings. Also, a set of AN wrenches is not a bad idea, especially if you are worried about scratching up any of the new finishes on these AN fittings as well. The way that this kit was kind of put together by Anderson Ford Motorsport was meant to be a modular system, because everything you're about to see in regards to the installation of my car may not work for your car because there's a lot of different setups out there. But the system here does provide extra length of fuel line, extra length of wire to be able to install in different locations based on your setup. Now, if this isn't something you want to take on, give us a call at Anderson Ford, talk to our service department, and we can definitely get you set up in regards to getting a level 1 fuel system in your Fox body or earliest in 95 Mustang.